Okay, so here's this PVC window and let's adjust it using an Allen key, this hex key. Okay, and currently, if you take a look, I can move it a little bit so it's not that tight. As you can see, it can be moved a little bit. Okay, so open up the window. We have three closing elements. This one, and it has a small hole on the left side. I noticed that it is flush with the left side, and we have much more space here on the right side. We have three of those. Here's the next one and another one on the top. Now rotate all of these to be at least in the center or to the right. So notice as I turn it to the right, it will move. Now it's more space on the left side and there is no space on the right side. Okay, so the small hole is on the right side. Let's see with the rest of them. It's moving from the left side to the right. Okay, now close the window. And it's barely moving. So it's tighter. When I move the handle, that thing is moving up and down. And if it's closer to the right side, then it's grabbing more. It's pushing this rubber more. Okay, so that's how to adjust a PVC window for winter time or summertime. Of course, in winter you have to press it in more using the Allen key.